you see there's a little bubble there
Yeah,
where it'd be laminated, and here's a place where a similar place was trimmed off in the original construction before this seam was made. So that was a loose layer of bark that was just trimmed off by the builder. And that's something that it's a flaw in the bark when that does that. It obviously wasn't a severe issue with this piece of bark, but it wasn't the top quality bark that he was working with, but it didn't bother him. Or I'm assuming it was him. I don't know. It could have been a group of people working on it. And then the other thing is the root lashing. You can see a lot of places where the roots were split into flat pieces, not just the round outer splits, which potentially are the strongest, most durable, but a lot of the other splits were used as well. And basically just making the most of the materials that he had. And it was good root, obviously. But he probably built this canoe fairly quickly. And then also, he wasn't too fussy about if a gore didn't come out right, he just put pegs in it. So, that's an interesting thing about this canoe too that I hadn't noticed on any other one. Wooden pegs in the gores. I've seen tacks before, but not wooden pegs. Of course, the wooden pegs just would have been the original version of a tack. And, overall the canoe is really well, construction is really well executed. The other thing is that the ribs, where they meet the gunnel, there's not a, most canoes have a bevel for the ribs to fit into. On this one, they're just jammed into the bottom surface of the inwell and forced into the grain. It seems like a little bit of a crude method, but it does work. It's effective and it seems to hold. So I guess it's just a quick way of doing it. So we've got two marks 3 inches apart. See if we can make a